Welcome to DejaDream.com. I'm Kate.
Cancer Sun Scorpio Moon, a polar personality. The Cancer Sun Scorpio Moon is a representation of the influence of the universe in our lives. If you are going to look at things with the lenses of astrology, you'll realize that planets, stars, and cosmic dust have a direct effect on us. Even our personalities can be shaped by them. Of course, this is not an indicator that our existence is predetermined. Instead, it is a reminder that has some guideposts to follow. For instance, the Sun and the Moon have essential roles to play. We don't notice it, but they are actually taking part in our mood, temperament, and reaction. Moreover, the interaction of the Sun and Moon to our respective zodiacs is also a notable event that we should be wary about. This time, we are going to talk about the Cancer Sun Scorpio Moon personality. It is pretty interesting that these two are on the polar opposites. But later on, you'll realize that their idiosyncrasies are actually what makes this connection amazing. Cancer Sun Scorpio Moon personality. Before we discuss further, it is essential that we can highlight the symbolism of the Sun at least on a personal level. Specifically, the Sun symbolizes strength, determination, and pride. In some aspects, it could also depict the desire of a person for glory and pursuit of nobility. Therefore, zodiacs that under the providence of the Sun have strong personalities. They have narratives that are confrontational and bright. The Sun symbolizes that you are not fearful of showing your true colors. You don't shy away, especially when you are being criticized openly. Even in difficult situations, there's an intense hope in you that don't want to succumb to defeat. A Cancer zodiac under the grace of the Sun explicitly indicates that it is creative and highly imaginative. People who belong to the Cancer Sun have heightened sensitivity. They are quite receptive to the feelings of the others, even those that are not being expressed. If they can nurture their sensitivity, they will be able to sense energies, too. They can feel the factors that influence their environment. In turn, they will be able to respond to these transitions. Meanwhile, the Moon is an important anchor. You see, it is the embodiment of emotions. In fact, you can say that people under this zodiac are highly emotional and expressive. Furthermore, the Moon also determines the habits of a person. Interestingly, the Moon is the natural governor of the Cancer zodiac. Even if there's a compatibility between the Sun and Cancer, it is still the Moon that rules it. That fact explains why Cancer is an expressive and receptive zodiac sign. Of course, it also benefits the placement of Cancer Sun Scorpio Moon. Moreover, you should not be surprised that the Scorpio Sun Cancer Moon personality does exist. Let me tell you that Scorpio is an entity that is mysterious and profound. Unlike the Cancer sign, the Scorpio will tend to show you its real emotions. Sure, it can show that it is incredibly elated or sad. But you'll never really know the exact feelings that are floating on its heart. They are emotional. However, there's an ambiance of secrecy that surrounds them. Cancer Sun Scorpio Moon qualities. It is important to point out that Cancer Sun and Scorpio Moon don't meet halfway. If a person is governed by these forces, then you can expect that she has extreme personalities. For instance, a person can be jolly and bashful at a particular moment. After several hours, the person will resort to silence, solitude, and recluse. It is a dual polarity, and it is never easy to reveal what they want exactly. Even those who are close to people under this placement have difficulties in understanding them. Their personalities can be vague at some point. Deciphering their feelings is not the easiest task. It takes someone who has a strong sense of intuition to unfurl what they are truly hiding. I am not saying that the Cancer Sun Scorpio Moon persons are deceptive. They just want to hide things. In some moments, they are doing this subconsciously. It is natural for them to be shrouded with mystery. They are more comfortable that way, and I think that it is something that we have to respect. Don't ever think that the Cancer Sun Scorpio Moon loves to be solo all the time. This combination loves to seek friends, but only those who are reliable enough to get trusted. It doesn't mind if its circle is small, as long as the people within that circle have no hints of betrayal and treachery. If you want to take part in that elite group, you need to gain the trust of the Cancer Sun Scorpio Moon person first. However, always be careful, though. There are individuals that might take this predicament on their advantage. You don't want to mingle with those people who beguile people intentionally for their personal benefit. Other notable nuances of the Cancer Sun Scorpio Moon. People who belong to the enigmatic Cancer Sun Scorpio Moon are conscious of their reputation. They are sensitive as to what people think of them. Perhaps that's one of the reasons why they have a complex personality. They want to project the kind of being that they want other people to see. But keep in mind that these individuals are full of integrity. When they make a promise, they will keep it even if it will cost their lives. The word betrayal does not exist in their dictionary. They will always do their best to fulfill their end regardless of how difficult it is for them. Also, I have observed that the Cancer Sun Scorpio Moon is not a forgiving persona. Once you broke its trust, it will have difficulties to forgive you. Even how hard you try, it will ignore your plea. It can grow cold on you easily. One day, you'll just realize that you are no longer a part of its world. Conclusion. The extremely complex nature of the Cancer Sun Scorpio Moon makes it one of the rarest personalities out there. If you are dealing with people under this zodiac, it would really be best to exercise caution in your words and actions. In this way, you will be able to see and appreciate their true colors. That's it for now. If you have other questions about zodiac signs and their compatibility, feel free to drop them in the comment section below.